and I think we'll be okay here. I think this will work.
So what do you look for when you lay this out?
This.
You look for that arc.
That curve and that grain. Yeah, that makes a strong wrist. This is a really little gun.
It is. It looks really short.
It's long, but it's 25 caliber, 13/16 barrel, 3/4. But it's a really thin, light gun. So it's not going to have anything in the wrist. So I wanted that grain flowing right through that wrist perfect.
Okay.
So it doesn't risk breaking it. I could have come down and gotten maybe into a little more figure, but I just had to be here to make this fit in this slab and get everything where I could make it work.
Right there?
Yeah, that's the center of the tree. Hopefully we can skew that off to the one side there. That's what I'm hoping. Okay, well I got this going. I'm going to cut this other part off. For a really good bandsaw and a really good blade.
Do you have that?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's Tennessee rifle, so it'll be a little edgy.
How do you mean edgy?
Can have defects.
Oh, okay.
Let's see what that looks like. It's an inclusion. I think we're okay. It's solid. Goes that way. Pull the gun to this side. Let's see what the other side looks like. So we're saying
Was that the other side of it, you think?
yeah, no doubt. Mm-hmm.
That's not good.
This is a little gun.
Oh, so you're saying you can fit it in a long...
Oh yeah, I think I can push the gun to the side.
Okay.
And the gun's left-handed, so the cheek piece is on the other side.
Okay.
So let's just get the barrel and lay it on there. Then you can kind of see what we're doing actually.
Oh, wow. And this is for Max?
Yeah, the squirrel rifle. So see, we got like a football field of room there.
It is tuck. You can get two guns out of this.
And we can angle this in here a little bit and we can miss all that crap.
Now let's flip that. Where'd you get this wood?
I cut it. My band mill. It's going to be a little fun working that. And looking down here, I might actually flip this. And let's see what we got there. The figure.
Looks like it's got more figure on this.
This side here's the figurey side,
Yeah.
isn't it? So see, we want that to be
The cheek piece.
in the cheek piece. So
So you do want to angle it.
So the gun's going to set like this. It's a lefty. So we can go this way just as easily. Get that out on the cheek piece.
Oh, there's some.
Yeah, but I don't know that that'll... It's got a little bit of a...
Not as much as what you can see on this other side.
It's a no patch box gun.
Oh,
So
okay.
both sides can show on the
Oh, okay.
stock. So all it's got's a grease hole, I think, on the stock. I don't think it has any patch box.
Now, what's the grease hole for?
Kept grease in to lube your patches.
Oh, okay.
You just had a hole in your stock and you had like bear grease or something in it. You could run a patch across it to lube your patch to load it just for lubing.
That's so clever.
Yeah. Yeah. Those Tennessee boys, you know, they're always thinking. I mean, it's obviously going to set up here, but I'm just looking at the thickness. An idea wood-wise how much I need to move over. See, cheek piece will be over here. No, cheek piece is on that side. That's not the right lock. That's a right-handed lock. He wants...
No, it's not.
No, it's not. It's a left-handed lock.
It's a left-handed lock. And that's your center line?
Yeah, I'm just getting kind of a rough center in here. So we can take this and hold that end down.
Okay.
It gives us kind of a rough center. So we got something we can work off of.
Rough center for a rough rifle.
Yeah, rough center for a rough rifle. There you go. That's kind of the way that is. It's a small gun.
Yeah, it's kind of funny the size of the chunk that we started with.
Yeah.
And how much we're going to get down to.
Yeah, you're not going to have a lot left when you're done. That's okay.
Yeah, it's not like it's just waste.
Not much you can do about it. See, now you can kind of go along there. I can cut this off now. Ideally, we probably should have done that on the other side, shouldn't we?
Yeah.
Been a lot easier to cut.